Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is Actions class. The Actions class in Selenium is used to perform advanced user interactions that cannot be handled using simple click or send keys. Actions class is mainly used for mouse, hover, right click, double click, drag and drop keyboard actions. It works by building a sequence of actions, performing them as a real user would. This is very common in modern web applications. Here in the sample script, I am creating a actions object. I am moving the mouse to an element. This triggers hover behavior on the UI. Actions class helps simulate real user interactions. So I will run the sample script and see how this works. First, if you see, I am opening the Cogmento login page, entering username password. Once login is successful, I am trying to find an element called contacts and it will hover on that particular page. If you see, it has already hovered and you can see the contacts has been used. Action class used successfully. So we have printed the message. Now I will close the application. So let me recap again. Actions class simulates real user behavior. Use actions when simple click is not enough. Sometimes you may not be able to click an element. So as you can see in the example we have seen, first it will hover to the contacts and then it will click. So this is how you use actions class. Complex UI requires advanced interactions. Actions class is for real user interactions.